Hey everybody, welcome to the Smoke Shack. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the MonBix 19-piece barbecue set. They sent this to me in the mail, asked me to do a review, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on this. I did not pay for this, just up front letting you know that. But I'm going to give you what I think of it, the honest truth. So let's do this. Alright, so it comes in this nice little aluminum case. It's a pretty cool little case, man. I'm impressed with that. It's pretty neat. Inside, it's got a spatula, tongs, a grill brush, a fork, a knife, a silicone brush, some skewers, and some corn on the cob holders. First view of it, it's pretty nice looking. It's a nice looking set. Let's take out the seems like pretty good heavy duty metal here. Doesn't seem to deform when I bend it, which is nice. The handle is nice and soft. It's kind of a silicone feel to it. These ends here feel like plastic, so I'm not sure how it will hold up. If you're hanging it on something, I don't know how it will hold up, but it's the quality of the metal seems to be really nice. The one thing I've noticed just opening this up here and looking at it, and this is just a flaw in this style of tong. I've never seen a pair of tongs this style that I've liked. So that's just my own personal bias. I find that when you get something heavy, they tend to cross like that. They'll do that when you're putting pressure on them. They're great for hot dogs, bratwursts, that kind of things, but not the best style of tong that I've ever used. I prefer a different style, but it works for dogs and brats and stuff like that. The grill brush is your basic grill brush. It's got the scraper on one end, the metal bristles on the other. I no longer use this style of brush on my grill. I use a wood brush or a plastic brush to brush stuff off. The fork looks great. This fork is pretty stout. It looks like a pretty good fork. The bend, it doesn't deform when you put pressure on it. I have a lot of forks that I've had in the past where if I just put any kind of pressure, they would just bend and fold over. And this one seems to be pretty good. The knife, it's a usable knife. It's got a usable edge. It's not, it's not a super sharp knife or anything like that, but it would be usable for chopping, cutting stuff up, chopping up things. It's got a pretty good edge on it. The silicone brush, awesome. It's just, I love silicone brushes. I'm a sucker for those things, and this is a good one. It's got good steel on it. I've taken these out and I've actually used these before I did the review because I wanted to put them to use and see how they worked, and everything works really well. My only thing here is the style of tong, but the shish kebab holders, these are great. These worked awesome. And the only thing I don't like, the only complaint I had about this was that the handles are plastic, and when you're putting shish kebabs on the grill, I would rather have wood or metal or something that isn't going to melt. but they work great. If you hang them off the edge, like say this is the box is the grill, and you can hang them off the edge like that, they work great. And I like this little slide off thing here that my daughter told me what this was for, because I didn't know. And I'm thinking, what the heck is this? And she said, that's so you can push the food off the end of the stick. Genius. It's really pretty cool. So that's a neat feature. I like that. That's cool. And then the corn on the cob holders are corn on the cob holders. They do what they're supposed to do. Pretty stout. I kind of like them. I like these better than the little corn on the cob ones. They're a little more substantial. Much better metal. I like it. So the kit sells for $35.99, and I do have some codes you can use for 20% off of it that I will put down below in the description box. I will put that in the description box. They're one-time use, so you may need to contact me to figure out which ones to use. I like this thing. It's I think for the money, it's a good deal. It's not all clad or anything like that, but it's a good solid barbecue kit. Comes in a nice case. It's pretty neat. I like it. Would I buy it? I probably would buy it if I didn't have a set already. It's good. It's a good quality, you know, jumping in point to go to get in here and get yourself one of these and get a set with everything you need in it. It's pretty much got everything you would need in here. And it's pretty awesome. The only thing I really didn't like about it were the tongs and then the plastic handles on the shish kebab skewers. Everything else I think is pretty decent and worth the money. So there you have it. If you're interested in this and you are thinking about getting it and you want to get it, email me. I'll have my email in the box below here, and I can get you a 20% discount coupon for it, a code to use when you buy it on Amazon. So these are sold through Amazon. It's MonBix, MonBix is the company. They've got some other things out as well, some other barbecue tools out, smaller sets. Check it out. See if you like it. If you want it, get in touch with me and I'll get you the discount coupon code. All right. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check this out. Give it a look. And thanks a lot. Have a good day.